What's the meaning of alpha? Alpha. 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 Alpha.
Alpha is a term commonly used in finance to represent the excess return of a particular investment compared to the market as a whole. Specifically, it refers to the amount by which an investment outperforms or underperforms its benchmark index. Alpha can be positive, negative, or zero, and investors typically seek out investments with positive alphas in order to maximize returns. In summary, alpha is a measure of the value an investment manager adds to a portfolio by making skillful investment decisions.